Hey everyone, welcome back. So, if you are an experienced candidate and you have decided to switch your job to any other company, then first thing that come into the field is creating your CV, right? So today in this video, I will teach you how you can create your CV in a very effective and efficient manner so that it will look like a very professional. Okay? So, let's get started. So for that, first of all, you have to go to the Google Chrome and here you have to search for canva.com. Okay, then click enter. After that, you will get the first link over here, that is pre-design tool, presentations, videos, social media and Canva, right? So just click on it and make it open. Alright, so this is the place where we can create our professional CV with less interval of time and with a very effective manner. Okay. So before that, first of all, you have to log in to this Canva page with the help of your Facebook account or with the help of your Google account. So here you can see I have already logged in with my Google account. Okay. Same way you have to also log in with it. Okay. Then here you can see we have a options called as the search bar, right? So in this search bar, what you have to search for professional CV. Okay. Then click enter. So here you can see we have so many different templates are there for our CV, right? As for our profession, correct? So in the top, you can see here we have 1,27,982 templates are there. Okay. So first choose the template, okay, whatever you like most as for your profession, and then I will show you how we can edit that template. Okay, so let me select any particular free template from here. So remember one thing, wherever you will get this type of icon, these are the paid versions. So I personally recommend you don't go for this paid one, just select any particular free template from all this. Okay, here you can see these are all the free templates, so you can select any one. Okay, and on top of that we can represent our informations very effective and very efficient manner. Okay, so let me select this one. This is the free one, so just click on it and make it open. Then click on customize this template, and here it is, right? So in the left hand side you can also see different types of templates are there related to that, so you can also select anything from here also. So I'm not going to select any other from this left hand bar. Here I will show you how we can edit this template and create a very professional CV for us. Okay. So for that, first of all, you have to remember one thing. Whenever you are going to create your CV, that should be in the form of A4 size format, right? So as we have selected the template from the CV or resume, that is already in that format. Okay, that is in A4 size. Okay. So if you want to increase the visibility of this particular template, then what you have to do, here you can see we have a scroll bar, right? And it is showing 32%. So from here you can increase the size and the template will become zoom in, all right? So that it will be easy for us to identify. So now it is looking perfect, right? All right. Now it's the time for us to edit this template, okay? So let's see how we can edit this template as per our need. Okay, so let me remove all the text from here so that we can start from the scratch, okay? So to remove any object from this particular template, you can simply click on this and you can drag it out, all right? And you can remove all these things, okay? Okay, so here now you can see our template is completely blank. All right. So the first thing that we are going to add here is our photo. Okay. So remember one thing, whatever photo that you are going to add in your CV, that must be look like professional. It should never be unprofessional. Okay. Because this is the first point from where the recruiter can get the impression of your resume, right? So it should always look like professional. Okay. So how can I add my photo over here? You can click on this upload button, then you can select the upload file, and from your desktop you can import that file. Okay. or you can go to the desktop or any place where you have kept your photo. Okay, so here it is. This is my photo, so simply drag it and drop it over here. Okay, and here you can see our photo has uploaded successfully, correct? Then just drag the photo from here and drop it over here. Okay, and then double click on it and adjust the photo size. All right, and if you want to change the size of your photo, then simply click on it and you can drag it and make the size bigger. Okay, then put it in the center. All right, then the next is the shape. This is the circle shape, right? And if you want to change this shape to any other shape, then just click on it, then click on shape button, and here we have so many different options are there, like this, this, and this, or anything whatever you want. Okay, so let me keep it at circle only. So in this way we can add our photo in the CV. Then the next is title of your CV. Okay, so how can I add the title of my CV? For that, first let me remove that. We will see it from scratch. Okay, then click on this elements tab, then select on line and shape. Okay, see all, and from here just select any particular shape. Let me select this one. Okay, then just drag it to up. Okay, and change the size of this shape. Okay, then change the color. To change the color, just click on this shape, then click here and then select any particular color from here, or you can select anything. Okay, all right, and here I want to write the title of my text. So for that you have to click on this text options, then from here you have to select any particular options. So it should be bold, so click on this, and here we can write, as a data analyst, the title of my CV should be look like I can help you to understand your data better. Okay, all right, then control A and select all these things. All right, then from here you can change the size. Okay, or you can drag it here and you can also change the text size of your title, and try to keep it in one line because this is the title of your CV. Okay, and keep it in the center. So in this way we can add our title for our CV. Then the next thing is your name and certification if you have achieved any. All right, so for that click on the text level, then click here and write your name over here. All right, so let me write my name, Deepan Kumar Patel. Okay, then click here and adjust your text size. All right, and keep it in center. Okay, then just double click on it, press Ctrl A and click here and change the text color to white. Okay, same way again click on text, then here inside the bracket you have to write your certification whatever you have done. So I have a Microsoft certified professional in Power BI, that is DA 100. So here I will write Microsoft certified, and inside the bracket again I can write DA 100. This is the code of my certification. Okay, all right, then again adjust the size from here, then move it to this place, then adjust the text size. Okay, and keep it in center. Okay, then again change the text color to white so that it will look better. Okay, instead of giving bracket on DA 100 you can give this hyphen and remove this bracket. Then the next thing that we are going to add here is our contact detail. Okay, so for that first of all click here and here you can write contact detail. Okay, then adjust the size. and put it over here. Then double click on it and you can change the text color to white. Okay. And inside this contact detail, we are going to add 5 things. First is our address, second is your mail ID, then contact number, then any YouTube channel if you have any, and at the end we are going to add our LinkedIn profile URL. Okay. So first of all, we need the icon of address. Okay. So where we'll get that? For that you have to click on this element tab and here you have to search location. Okay. Then click enter. So this is the free icon, so you can click any one from here. Okay, so let me click on this and adjust the size, then change the color to white. Okay, because this is a black background, so the color of this icon should be white, or you can change to any other color. Okay, and put it in a proper place. But then we are going to add our address, right? So for that, again click on the text, then select any particular text. And here you can write your address. So I have already copied that address, so I am going to paste that. Then select all and change the color to white. Okay, so it will look like this. And adjust the text size and put it in the side of this icon. Okay, then you can change the alignment. All right. Then the next is mail ID, right? So same way, go to element, then here instead of location you can search email. Okay, then click enter, and from here you can choose any particular icon. So let me choose this one. Okay, then just click here and you can change the background color also. So let me change the background color to any other like this. Okay, and change the size of this icon, and let me keep it in here. Okay, then again go to the text and select this text, and here you have to add your mail ID. Okay, so this is my mail ID. Let me drag it here and change the text size. Okay, and keep it in center and try to do proper alignment. Okay, in between this text and these icons. All right, then double click on it and change the text color to any other color. Okay, by following the same method you can add your YouTube channel link, your contact number, and your LinkedIn profile URL. Okay, so in this way we can add our contact detail like address, email ID, contact number, YouTube channel name, and LinkedIn profile URL. Okay, then the next thing that we are going to show here is our skill. Okay, so first of all you have to identify what are your skill. As a data analyst, I have good knowledge in 4 different data analytics tools like Power BI, Tableau, SAS, and Google Data Studio. Okay, so the next step is you have to decide in which visualizations you are going to represent your data in your CV. Okay, so I think the best visualizations in which we should represent our skill data is 100% horizontal stack bar chart. Okay, so let me show you how can I get that. So for that, first of all you have to go to this element section. Okay, and here you have to search for charts. Okay, then click enter. Then here we have the chart sections, and you can see here see all, right? So click on this see all button, and these are the different charts by the help of which we can represent our data in our CV. Okay, so this is 100% horizontal stack bar chart. Okay, so just click on it and it will be automatically added in your chart. Okay, then adjust the size of your chart. All right, then just double click on it, and in the left hand side you can see the table. Okay, then here you can see the header of the row is item 1, item 2, item 3, item 4, right? And that's why here also we are able to see item 1, item 2, item 3, item 4, right? But we don't want to see that. We just want to represent our skills here. Okay, for example, first of all I want to represent Power BI. Okay, so just double click on it, then here you have to write Power BI. This is my first tool. Okay, then same way my second tool is Tableau. Okay, so here I have to write the Tableau. All right, Same way here also you have to change it to says. Okay, and here Google Data Studio. Yes. All right. Whenever you are changing anything over here, that is reflecting here, right? You can see we have changed Power BI. Here you can see Power BI, right? Here it is Google Data Studio, and here it is also Google Data Studio. Okay. So in this way, first of all, you can rename it. The next is we have to convert this chart to 100% stack bar chart, right? So here you can see this single bar has been divided into 3 different parts, right? Here you can see this single bar is showing 3 different color, right? Why it is showing this? Because here series 1 has been given by 10, okay? Series 2 is 14. Same way as series 3 is given by 6, right? That's why 10, 14, 6. So this total bar is divided into 3 parts. One is 10, this is 14, and this is 6, right? So we have to change that and we have to convert it to 2, okay? So just remove the 6 first so that it will show only 2 color here, okay? Then we have to convert it to 100%. That's why I have good knowledge in Power BI. So here I can represent 90, okay? And here I have to convert the 14 to 10, okay? It means 90 plus 10 equal to 100. So it's showing 100% stack bar chart, right? Same way, suppose now I want to change this tableau wala things, okay? So for that you have to click here and again you have to convert it to 80 and you can change this value to 20, okay? So the sum of these two should be 100 always, alright? Then says you can represent it as 50, okay? And here also you have to write 50 because 50 plus 50 is 100, right? And here you can represent 40 and this is 60, okay? It means whatever value is present in the series 1, that is the positive part. It means I have good knowledge in Power BI. I can mark myself 90 out of 100 in Power BI, okay? And then rest is 10, okay? Same way I'm marking 80 out of 100 in Tableau. But why I am filling this value in series 2? Because the rest part should be look like a different color, right? But still in 3 different bars, it's showing 3 different color, right? Why it is showing like that? Because here the value is there. So you have to remove this value, okay? And now you can see all the 4 bars are showing only 2 color. Then the next is, suppose if you want to change the color of this bar, then what you have to do, first of all, you have to click on this chart. Then here every bar contain 2 type of color, right? So suppose I want to change of this color, then here you can see in the edit section we have 2 color, right? One is this and another is this color, right? So suppose I want to change this color, so you have to click on this and you have to select any other color from here, okay? Then suppose I want to change this color, so I have to click on this and you can select white color. Then try to adjust the shape of this chart, okay? Then drag it to this place, okay? And here you can see the text color is showing as black and the background color is also black, so you have to change it to white color, correct? So what you have to do, just click on this, then change the color of this text to white, okay? But it's looking so small, so if you want to increase the size, then just click on this plus icon, okay? So automatically the text size will be increased. And try to put it in proper location, okay? And the alignment should be proper. One thing I forgot to add here is the header, okay? So this will come under the skill part, right? So you have to give the header as skill, all right? So just click on it, then Control C, okay? Then press Control V to copy this header, okay? Then drag it to this place, then just adjust the graph position, okay? Then let's add a line over here to separate this from another graph, okay? So for that, go to the element section, then just clean this search bar, okay? Then here you can see line, or here is also options called line, right? So just click on it and add it here, okay? Then from here you can change the color of this line and you can also increase the width of this line from here, okay? So let me change the color to white. Then the next skill that I have is SQL knowledge, okay? So here I want to show how much amount of SQL knowledge I have in different databases, right? So for that, again go to element and here search for charts. Okay, then again click on see all, then select this don't chart, or you can select this pie chart. Okay, so don't chart will be the better one, so just click on it and add it to the CV. Okay, then minimize the size of this chart, then put it here. But here we are not able to see the text, right? Because the text color is black, correct? And apart from that, this don't chart has been subdivided into total 5 different parts, right? But I have knowledge in 4 different databases. Okay, so what you have to do, first of all you have to click on this, then the table will come here. Okay, so first of all remove this number 5, item 5, remove the value also. Okay, then here you can see it has divided into 4 parts, right? Again click on it, then here first is, let me write SQL server. Okay, then next is my SQL, next is Postgres, and in place of item 4 we can write MongoDB. Okay, these are the 4 databases on which I have good knowledge. Okay, then here you can mention the how much percentage knowledge you have. Okay, so here I can give as 40. Okay, 40%. Then here I can mention 20, 40 plus 20, 60. Then here let me mention 25. Okay, and here let me write as 0.5. Okay, so here you can see this is 40 plus 30 plus 25 plus 5 equal to 100, correct? So the total is 100, and as per our knowledge I have segregated this don't chart into different part. Okay, then to change the text color, what you have to do, just click on it, then go here and change the text color. Okay, then increase the size. All right, and you can show your database knowledge on percentage basis. Then again select this line, Control C, then Control V and put it here. Okay, now I just want to see how my CV is look like till yet. So for that we have 2 options. You can reduce the size from here, or you can click on this present full screen mode, and you can see our CV is looking like this till yet. All right, and from this you can observe the size of these 2 charts are little bit more, right? So we have to reduce the size so that in the below part we can get some more space to add our extra informations. All right, so for that, first of all you have to click on this escape button to go to the edit section again. Okay, then here just click on it and adjust the size, and then we can add our extra informations here. Okay, another thing is that suppose if you want to change the background color of this, then what you have to do, first of all click on this, then from here you can change the background color. Okay, and apart from that, if you want to change the background color of this piece, then just click on it, and from here also you can change the background color to any other color. Okay, so let me keep it in white. All right, then again click on this full screen mode. You can see how it is looking like right now. Okay, and now it is perfect, correct? Then the next step is we are going to add our detail over here. So for that, go to the edit mode by pressing escape button. All right, then if you are an experienced candidate and you are creating your CV, then let me show you how you can represent your detail over here. Okay, so for that you have to write the text over here, correct? So you have to go to the text, and you can add any particular size of the text, and you can edit on that, right? So here I'm not going to write all this text one by one because it will take a lot more time. So previously I have already created my CV. Okay, this is a CV, and these are the text, correct? So let me copy all this text from here. Okay, by pressing Ctrl C, and here I am going to paste that. All right, put it in proper place. Okay. And apart from this, if you want to add some more information about you, then we don't have much more space in this page, right? So you can simply click on this add page and you can create a new blank page over here. Okay. And on this, you can add your detailed informations like this. Okay. Alright, so from this particular section, you have got the better idea about how we can add our images on this CV and how we can add different charts and visualizations, and apart from that, how we can add the icons, and also we got the idea about how we can add the text and we can edit it, right? Now, let me explain you how you can represent your data in your CV by the help of the CV that I have already created, okay? So this is the CV that I have already created. So to see it in full screen mode, just click on this, okay? And here it is. So if you are an experienced candidate and you are going to create your CV, so at that time, first of all, in your CV, you have to mention your CV title, okay? That is, as a data analyst, my work is completely based on data, right? That's why I have mentioned here, I can help you to understand your data better. Alright, as for your profession, you have to identify the title. Okay, next is resume objective. In resume objective, you have to mention your number of year of experience, and apart from that, in which field you have good knowledge. Okay, then the next is experience. So in experience section, you have to mention the company name, in which organizations you have already worked, and in which organizations currently you are working with. Okay, along with the joining date and the end date. Okay, then you have to mention your roles and responsibility. So as a data analyst, I have worked with Power BI, Tableau, SAS and SQL. Okay, that's why I have mentioned here first, that is technology, that is Power BI. Okay, and when I was working with Power BI at that time, my designation was as a data analyst. That's why I have here mentioned data analyst as designation. Okay, then the next is job role. So whatever task you have done with the help of this Power BI tool, that we have to mention over here, okay, in point wise, so that it will look better. And suppose you have worked with so many different technology, okay, so at that time, how you can represent that? For that, you have to create a new page, and here you have to mention same way, that is technology name, designation, job role, and whatever you have done, okay, along with the project that we have worked with. Correct? Next is SQL Server. Here also same thing you have to mention, that is job role, technology name, designations, job role, and what are the project in which you have worked. Okay. And at the end, you have to mention the academic detail and personal detail. In academic detail, you have to mention in which college you are passed out from, and in personal detail, you have to give the name, nationality, date of birth, language, hobbies, and you have to mention your declaration. Okay, at the end you have to give your date and place. So if you're an experienced candidate, then you have to create the CV like this. Then at the end you have to download this CV, right? So for that, just you have to click on this share button, then click on download. Okay, then here you have to select the file type as the PDF. Okay, then click on download. Now it will ask you to upgrade the Canva Pro. Okay, so we don't need to upgrade that. Just click on this three dot, and here we have options called download free watermark draft, right? So just click on this and make it download. Okay. So I hope from this video you have got the better idea about how you can create a professional CV for a experienced candidate. Okay. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care. Bye-bye.